Sorry, babe. I know na is something, babe. I know na is something nga nag-bother ni mo. And I know nga that something was because of me. Babe, I'm so guilty. And I don't know if I should be guilty. I know na yung na kay something sa mong mind tungkol sa akong past or tungkol sa akong nasulti ni mo last night or topic last night. Babe, I want you to tell me. Dili kay mo. Keep. I want you to share it to me. I want you to share it to me, babe. Because sakit kay para na ko, babe. Love you.